Hey, are you looking at passive affiliate profits? Maybe you're wondering what it is. Maybe you're wondering if you should get started, or you're wondering how you could get more leads, sales, and signups. Well, in this video, I'm going to let you know what is passive affiliate profits and how you could make the most amount of profits with it, right? So what this is basically a high ticket affiliate marketing offer that's going to allow you to make a low ticket up front. So you're going to make a $7 commission, getting started, right? And then when people get in, basically from there you would be able to make commissions on anything that they buy throughout this course. And this course is basically from Zach Crawford. So Zach Crawford's a big marketer that's been around for a while. He's been marketing online for a while, and he understands how to create systems and processes and course creation and things like that. So in the course, he teaches a lot of video marketing, how you can use video to boost your business, and basically the system that they have you using is ClickFunnels. So basically they set you up on ClickFunnels, and Zach would get the ClickFunnels commissions for the people who sign up in ClickFunnels. But basically when you sign up and you have this offer, what I did was I created the pages that they have within here, right? So I created this on a separate builder. This builder that I'm using, it's basically a $25 per month funnel builder, and it gives you a $20 per month commission. So you don't need ClickFunnels to be able to promote this. You don't need to be able to use those pages. You can use a funnel builder just like this and be able to make a $20 per month commission and pretty much have your funnel builder tool covered, right? It would all be paid for, right? And that's what I would suggest. And whenever you're promoting any kind of mid to high ticket offer, you have to actually think about the kind of people that you would want to have involved with you, right? Like, who do you want to work with, right? It's not for everybody. It's like, not everybody's going to, resonate with my video. Not everybody's going to like my videos. Not everybody's going to like my channel. But it's the people that do that matter, right? The people that really watch my videos, watch my content, and really get value from the content that I put out are the people that I'm looking to work with. I want people that I'm working with to be like, wow, I want to look forward to working with them every single day, helping them to build and grow their business online and everything like that. So I created this page just for people in passive affiliate profits so that they can use the same exact pages without having to pay over $100 to $300 per month, depending on what package you have in ClickFunnels. Basically you would get 80% commissions on this funnel builder tool, and you can find a link for the funnel builder tool below in the first link. Basically you have to opt in, and you would basically find this sales page to sign up for this funnel builder tool if you wanted to use this. Now, if you want to get this page that I have, you have to talk to me about getting you the page. I could definitely help you to get all the pages for passive affiliate profits. And you would not have to pay the crazy prices of ClickFunnels and have the tech overwhelm, right? So you don't need ClickFunnels. I'm just making that clear. And when you promote passive affiliate profits, just understand that it's a high ticket offer. So you're going to learn marketing. There's a lot of valuable content that Zach has created. This is Zach Crawford's course. Zach Crawford is right there. He's earned $1 million or more with funnels in ClickFunnels, right? So that's pretty much what he has done. He has a lot of success online, and he created the course, and it's a very good video course. The only thing that I would pretty much think about, if you don't want to pay the ClickFunnels price, you can use this funnel builder tool. I already have the pages built for you, so you don't have to worry about them. All you have to do is contact me, and I will help you out with that, right? You can find me on Facebook, Gio Ambrose Gianta, or you can click on the link in the description to get to my Facebook group, to where you could connect with me on Facebook as well, right? So The next thing is, where do you get traffic from? So, pretty much I would suggest coming over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com. And why should you come over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com? Because I am a top marketer and top traffic provider in a solo ad space, and I like to teach people how to actually do paid traffic the right way. So as you're doing video content, if you wanted to do paid strategies as well, I'm definitely here to help you with those paid strategies. And if you come down here, what we want to make sure when you're running any kind of paid traffic is that the offers that you have are highly targeted to what you're promoting, and you want to make sure that your landing pages and your sales copy are congruent with one another. So when somebody opts in, they know exactly what they're getting, and you want to make sure that the traffic sources that you're getting traffic from are very high quality sources. Now, I've helped people to make as high as $11,000 in commissions on high ticket programs. So I want to be able to help you to make your high ticket commissions as well, right? So when you order, traffic from me, it's something very special because, you're getting a mix of different, traffic from me. So the traffic sources that you'll be getting traffic from are ones such as Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you get a mix of different traffic. When you order traffic from me, you get a mix of that different traffic. So it's not just purely solo ads. It's not that stuff. It's real advertising, that we do to be able to provide for the people that buy traffic, right? So when you get traffic from me, you get also a strategy call, which is very helpful for the people who are trying to get results in passive affiliate profits or any other affiliate marketing or network marketing opportunity. I have people in both. I even have people with storefront businesses who actually use the tools that we provide people to grow their business, right? So you could be in any kind of business, and I want to help you to get results with traffic and be able to also give you the highest opt-in rate possible when you get paid traffic. I have an opt-in rate as high as 90%. This is 85%, but to date, it's 90%. If you scroll down, you'll see the first testimonial by Richard. It says 90%. That was his results on 200 clicks, so you could check out the testimonials below on this page. Also, you need to understand how to track your leads and conversion rates. So if you haven't got any traffic before, you don't want to just send traffic blindly to a page and just hope and pray that you make sales, because that's going to turn out bad for you. You don't want to do that. You want to track everything strategically and be able to know your stats as a marketer. And when I tell you marketing is actually a skill set, it's a skill set, right? So if you think you're just going to blindly go out there and just do minimal amount of work possible, I know a lot of people try to sell you that idea of done for you, everything's done for you, do nothing kind of systems. That doesn't happen. That doesn't exist. That's false. That's lies that people give you to get you to sign up for stuff. These marketers that promote that hype shit, they already know how to market. They already know how to build an audience, grow an audience. They already have an audience. They already have an email list. That's what sets them apart from you. So when they tell you that you don't have to do anything, it's push button, it's beginner friendly, it's easy for beginners, all you got to do is sign up, you're all happy, you're all excited, and basically you're very disappointed in the end, right? So, you want to stay away from hype marketing and pretty much, do business with people who really have your best interests at heart, your best intentions at heart. People who try to sell you hype and that kind of stuff. A beginner marketer, somebody who's just getting started, they have to learn skill sets, and they're going to have to do actions. They're going to have to do video content. Even if you do paid traffic from me, you're going to still have to do other strategies as well for the best results possible. So understand that this is a skill set. There's nothing that's 100% done for you. There's nothing that's going to, magically make you money overnight by doing nothing. It doesn't exist. So if you're thinking that, please get that out of your head, right now because it doesn't exist. And you're going to be very disappointed if you think that there's some push button system out there that you don't have to do any kind of work. Even with this, you have to set up the funnels, you have to understand marketing, you have to create video content, you have to create content online, and then when people buy from you, that's when your commissions become passive, right? So that's when you get into profit and you have passive affiliate profits, right? If you don't do those strategies, if you don't get traffic to your offers, then you're not going to have a business, right? So it's very important to get traffic to your offers, and I help you to do that in 3 simple steps. Step 1 is you select a traffic package below. I have 90% tier 1 and 100% tier 1, so pick the package that works best for you. Then step 2, we could do a campaign review. If you book a package with me, you can also book a strategy call after you order, and we go over your funnel. We help you to get the best results possible, and you could talk to me personally. So any questions that you have about paid traffic, any questions that you have about support, knowing how to actually market your business online, I could definitely help you with that stuff. So that's what you would get when you order traffic from me. So just the order alone is worth the strategy call. The strategy call is normally $500 for 30 minutes of time. But when you order a traffic package from me, that's included with the package because you made an order, you made a purchase from me. And I really believe in serving my customers, serving the people who buy from me. It's very important to keep a good reputation and keep very well helping people, being supportive, being there when people need you there, and just having good morals and ethics, right? Just being there, trying to give people the best advice possible without the hype, without the, pie in the sky kind of things. I want you to actually market and know how to do it and have attainable goals. Ones that you could actually see, ones that you could attain, ones that are able to be visualized in your head. Because when you have any kind of offer, you want to have clear goals and you want to be able to know exactly what you're doing. So here's some of the testimonials that I have. You could take a look for yourself, and you could scroll down. I have plenty of testimonials. And then here's the packages right here. So here's 90% tier 1. You could get all the way up to 2,000 clicks of traffic from me. The more traffic you get, the cheaper it becomes per click. And there's also 100% tier 1 down here as well. So pretty much that's what I have for you. And then if you have any questions, chances are your questions are going to be down here. So make sure you check this out. And then here's my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people. And if you have any issues with your order whatsoever, please reach out. You could leave a message down here, or you can reach out to me on Facebook, Gio Ambrose Gianta, and I will help you with whatever concerns that you have with your traffic order. One thing I cannot do is I cannot issue refunds. Just so you know, it's paid traffic, and it's bad for the processor when I get refunds. So I try to avoid them, but I will compensate you in traffic. And when you order traffic from me, you agree to the no refund policy. And, that's something that I do to protect myself and protect the processor, so I stay in business and build a very, very large business and help others to build a very, very large business as well. We don't want to do anything that's unethical, right? So don't order traffic from somebody and say you never got it, or don't order it and say, well, I'm not getting results or whatever, or, anything like that. It all depends on a variety of different reasons why you may not be getting results online. And with email marketing, it could be the emails, it could be the quality of traffic that you get whenever you order traffic. So just keep that in mind. You want to get from somebody that you trust, that has good results. that you can actually talk to. That's very important. So if you can't talk to a solo ad vendor, if you go to like a website like Udemy Solo Ads or Traffic for Me, or the other ones that are very well known, chances are you're not going to be able to talk to those people. So they're not going to give you any feedback, and that's what makes me different from other people, because I'll actually give you feedback. I'll actually help you. I'll actually give you guidance on how to get the best results possible with passive affiliate profits. So if that's something that you actually like, click below this video to come to this page. It'll take you to this page where you can place your traffic order today. Also, get into my free Facebook group. There's a link in the description. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. I will answer any questions that you have. Leave your comments below this video so that way I can help you resolve any issues, any suggestions, anything that you have. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, I will address them. So make sure you leave your comments below, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this so you don't miss any time that I upload a video from here on out. I really appreciate you watching the video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.